What is an adjective? A part of speech that modifies, means change, or describes, means tells something about a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Adjectives can be used to describe the qualities of someone or something independently or in comparison to something else. There are three degrees of comparison: positive when you don't compare, comparative when you compare two things or two persons, and superlative when you compare with all of them. For example, big, bigger, biggest. Uh, for words with one syllable, we add er with comparatives and est with superlatives. Words which have more than two syllables, we add more with comparative and most with superlative. An adjective often comes before a noun. For example, a green car. Here before car, green is an adjective. And sometimes an adjective comes after a verb. For example, my car is green. Here after the verb is green is an adjective. Now we take a look at the examples of adjectives, how they are used in a sentence. I like old houses. Here, old is an adjective uses for houses. The boy is tall and skinny. Here after verb is tall and skinny are adjectives. Jane is smarter than her brother. This is comparative adjective.